Hello? Oh, there goes the pink tile. Stay right there, Jack. Stay right there. Stay right there. Wait, guys. Stay there, Jack. Don't move. No, they did it in record time. 45 minutes. Hello? Sorry, Liz. I'm totally enthralled. They're taking down my house. Well, you know, not my house, but my old house. Yeah. I'm good. I'm good. They just have one little piece of the wall left. So yeah, it is pretty amazing. You'll see when you drive by on the way home. It took them like 45 minutes to pull down this house. Oh yeah, they're putting up a whole new house. Yep. Oh really? Oh yeah, no. I know which one on the other side. Yes, that was Coach Jason. That's somebody we know. They're actually renting the house across the street while they're building theirs. So, yeah, it's pretty amazing. Their house is huge. So this will be a 2-story house. It's you know, it'll be a nice addition to the neighborhood. It's definitely needs a new house here. But anyway, well, I think they might need a little assistance with the ice cream thing, and I'm planning on trying to be back over there. I'm going to try to see if I can get a ride back over. But I just wanted to know if you were going to be there just to sort of help out. Oh, awesome. Perfect. Yeah. So I would say maybe right before our game's over, just go over there to the snack shack and just say, you know, what do we do for the raise? I don't know. Oh, perfect. Okay, yeah, just check in and see what they want us to do, and then if there's anything I need to do, give me a call back, because I'm going to try to head back over there real soon. Okay, thanks, Liz. Bye. Yeah. They took this tree down. Oh, yes, okay. They had 2 camphor trees. No, it
wasn't crazy when I got
No, I think the driveway's going to go right through there too, and that particular tree was covering up the light pole, and it was eating up the whole sidewalk. So that one was doomed to go. But they kept this one, which I'm really happy.
Yeah.
The one with our tire swing that we have. We lived here for 16 years.
You rented here.
We did, yes.
Yeah,
I remember you too, yeah. So it was, you know, I just had to be here.
Oh yeah.
I had to be here, so I'm not doing it.
Did somebody buy it?
Yes, yeah. Oh, a lovely couple bought it. They have 2 little girls, and they bought it a year ago. Almost a year ago, in April, they closed the deal, and they just been working on permits and getting the house, and yeah. So there's they're not here today.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna post this on YouTube and I'll send her the link. It's not the best of the.
Doing it with no front of it.
Huh?
I think they can sneak it in.
Wait, what'd you say? Oh, with the house? Oh yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Well, that wouldn't work too well since the lady next door works in the planning department in Campbell, so trust me, they're definitely. Wow, it's so amazing.
It is.
It is. So I'm so excited. I'm so.
You know the big story that lives on Cameo and Flamingo.
Okay.
It used to be a small two-bedroom house there.
Oh, really?
Yes. Okay.
Look at how they put it.
Yeah. I went in there, passed there in the morning, and doing the nap or anything like that. And I went
I could tell
walked
Steve.
my dog in the afternoon. And it was done.
It was gone.
They were carting the last load out.
They do it so quickly. It's so amazing. And it's just so amazing when you watch the house go down. You're like, oh, thank you, honey.
How you doing there, sweetheart?
I'm okay. I didn't cry. I thought I was gonna cry. It was more awesome than anything just to see it. I kind of felt like it was Oklahoma during a tornado. It's just the way they just came down. It's so crazy. Look at there it goes. There it goes. Oh, I thought they were gonna get that old fire pit. Yeah, where it's a. Is that a little corner of the wall left?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I wanted to fix the building. How little bit of time it takes to get rid of it.
Flamingo and Cameo. I saw in its warning. There was a two-bedroom at that point.
Uh-huh.
And I went up.
Dad? Oh.
Hope that tree is coming out.
I think they are. I thought they were taking one tree out. I think they're. I thought that is that the. You know, that's actually a weed.
Yeah.
It's a weed. It's not really even a tree. It's just so crazy.
We could take some of the trimmings, yard trimmings, throw them over here and cut this thing down. This is that other weed, right? Huh?
I'm just kidding.
I already asked her.
Oh, cool.
That's what I'm saying. I asked Carl.
Our backyard? Yes, you can do that.
The lot is so deep. Beautiful.
Yeah, I know. We lived here 16 years.
Oh, we did.
Yeah. So yeah, we never could really afford to buy it. So a lovely couple's moving in and taking it to the next level, which is nice. Too bad that fence isn't going down. It so needs to go down.
I haven't asked him about that yet.
Oh, I'm sure it will. Yeah.
Zoe!
Oh. I think that answers our question.
Yep, I think
that was. Yeah, I think it's going.
Like a dinosaur?
Huh? I know it is. It is. It is so. It reminds me. There's a book. That "Are You My Mother" book. You remember that from way back when? It's an old Dr. Seuss.
Oh, yes.
"Are You My Mother" is the very end. There's the big yeah,
They are taking
the big excavator. Oh my word!
Oh, wow. Oh,
That is insane.
my God. Goodness. So much for the mic right
I guess I just gotta throw it.
You're so excited, Bradley.
I am. I want to get rid of it. I know. I've got this pile sometimes.
We're going to put
Wow! Look at that. Just snap.
You know where our whole play structure is? It's
Yeah.
about 200 square feet. That was
I know.
overgrown from that tree over in the yard.
Oh, nice. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. That is insane. That is just insane how it just kicks that tree up like a toothpick.
I'm tired. I got it.
know?
Power
Like he's like totally fine tuning it, but it's like everything that he gets just goes. All gone. I just want to see that bird of paradise go right there. I know, I was just saying, it's so interesting how ginger he can be with that.
I know.
Yet how destructive it is all at the same time. It's like sometimes it's like this little delicate.
I know.
Yeah.
But picking up that carpet, it was.
Goes the landscaping. Lance's got the landscaping.
And you know
file.
what's interesting is the property goes beyond all those trees you see back there. It's another 20 feet. I mean, it's just a huge piece of property.
He locates the carpeting pile.
Yeah, but it was just like.
Yeah.
Oh, he was. That's what he's doing. Oh, you're
What
so
is it?
right. Like, because there's certain things that have to be thrown away.
I guess they react.
Yeah, he's putting them in different piles.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. Well, he is pretty. There goes a little tree. Look at that. Oh, that's been there forever. Just comes right out. Look at, like a weed, like I just was weeding the other day.
Maybe I could get rid of your wild onions. There goes the carpet.
We put that carpet in too. I remember that. And we had a spare room out there that needed carpeting. Oh, he's using it to.
Sweep it up.
That is so. That is so clever.